Welcome to Practice Pro Software. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a system overview and show you how you can use it to streamline staff onboarding and training and improve the consistency across the office as you get everyone on the same page on your way of doing things. You'll be able to document and structure your policies, processes, and procedures in an intuitive manner and subsequently create a training curriculum for each seat in your business. Get people cross-trained fast and easy and only on the things that you're asking them to do or help out with. And if you use temps in your office, you can create temp training just on the things you want them to do. So let's begin and see what's on the other side. The first thing you'll notice is our home page, which you can think of as the brain center. Initially, it'll look like this, but in no time at all, you can build it to look more like this. From this view, we build out our hierarchy, or structure, some like to call it, which allows us to organize anything digital like processes, policies, procedures, or even financial records, employee records, formation documents. You get the idea. In essence, anything that is digital or that can be stored, organized, and shared with proper privileges to anyone you want. For security, they won't see anything that's not shared with them. And it's super easy to search for anything you want, so everything is at your fingertips, regardless of whether you're at work, home, or on the go. This entire application is accessible by browser, so there's nothing to download or install. And we support Safari, Chrome, and Firefox browsers at this time on computers, tablets, and mobile devices. Once you build a hierarchy, you can start to add content to any of the items within a function. I'm going to navigate to Roles and Responsibilities, which is a function or top-level hierarchy item, then General Manager, Standard Operating Procedures, SOP, and finally I'll select Office Processes and Procedures. From this view, you can see the structure of content. You'll first notice that text was added to describe how to do this process. If you continue to scroll down, you'll also see that there is an Excel file right here that you can download and work on. You can see that I can also add a comment down here at the bottom, just underneath the files. Now all those who have access to this will see the comment too. If I want to give access to somebody, I simply click on the share button in the upper right. And I invite whomever I like by adding their email or selecting their name if they already exist. And then I give them a role, like editor or viewer, and submit. I can repeat this process of building content for anything and everything I want others to learn. As good as all this organization is, it's not as helpful as it could be without building the sequence of learning things in the proper order to help do the job. That's where the power of playlists come in. Think of a playlist as a video-based training curriculum. You can build as many training curriculums as your plan allows, name them something meaningful, and train your team members just like franchise-type businesses and other well-organized organizations do. And with our added user tracking, you can see who watched a playlist and whether or not they completed it. Now, we're also big fans of keeping people informed. When new things are added or something in the system changed that you're following, we tell you. We added notifications that send you emails, and we added a notifications button that when a number is displayed, it shows how many things have happened in the system that have not been viewed by you since the change was done or the new piece was added. To be clear, if you make a change, you don't get notified, but if anyone else does, you do. The purpose is to make you aware of what is new or different, and when you click on that notification, it takes you right to the content, and then it marks it as read. When you have no new notifications, then nothing in the system that you are following hasn't been seen by you. Each person's notifications are unique to them. How's that for staying informed? Now imagine if your employee handbook was in the system. Any changes made immediately notify all the followers, i.e. your staff. And you can be confident that your data is secure. In the company you own, I only see what you give me access to see and the privileges that you assign me. And if I invited you to my company, you would only see what I share with you and the privileges I assign you. So we can both feel good about that. While all this is just the tip of the iceberg, it's certainly enough to get you started. We are constantly improving the product to keep it simple and with the tools and the features that you're going to use and not the stuff that clutters the system, makes it hard to learn, and forces our prices up to support it. After all, this system was created by dentists for dentists. So these are people who think like you and want what you want. Not sure how to start? Try adding one of our templates and modify it to your liking. We want you up and running as fast as possible, so why not take a shortcut? Be sure to check out our how-to videos and hit us up in support. We're here to help you get started, and we can even take a digital document you have today and load it to get you started on your way. Submit a support ticket and we'll jump right on it. We're glad you're here, and we look forward to serving you both now and in the future. So create your account now and get started today. See you soon.